So hello you all, here I am writing my to-do list for the day. Here I am planning what I have to study today. You also can write your work in a paper, what you have to do in a day, because it's kind of really helpful for me. Hopefully it was for you too. So here I am just filling my journal.
AC and angle B.
So then I started watching a movie because nowadays I take kind of tension and all stuff like that. So in order to distract myself, I just started watching a movie. When that movie was over, after that I cleaned my table so that I could study. So the first thing I do is clean my table so that I can study properly. I start studying at correct 4 p.m. I am studying maths first. I study those subjects first in which I am kind of weak, and I try to give more time to maths जिससे मेरा maths अच्छा हो जाए, because मेरे maths में इतने अच्छे marks नहीं आते as compared to other subjects. So this is how I study maths, because अभी tuitions नहीं लग रहा है and it's kind of difficult for me to understand the concept of that subject. So the thing I do is कि मैं अपने सामने स्क्रीन पर मेरे सामने सॉल्यूशंस रहते हैं, तो अगर मेरा गलत होता है तो मैं वहीं से डायरेक्टली चेक कर लेती हूँ कि मेरा क्वेश्चन गलत है. एंड जब मुझे कोई क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आता है तो देन आई सर्च इट ऑन यूट्यूब और मैं उससे देखकर समझ लेती हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे पूरे समझ आ जाता है एंड इट्स काइंड ऑफ ईजी एंड हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दिस. So guys, I study maths daily for 2 hours because my exams are so close, half yearly exams, and it's from 8 October I think so, and it's offline, and that's why I'm so tense because अभी तक मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा and अब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा load पड़ गया है, so I have to study more and more. Then me and my friends decided to do group study. So yep, we did it for like 1.5 hours. So yeah, and it's kind of helpful. So then my friends forced me to play this game called Among Us, something like that. So then I just played this game, and after that I never ever played this because I have to study, and we just took a break. Then I clean my table because मैंने वहाँ पे खाना खाया था, so it's kind of dirty, and मैं हमेशा 25 minutes के बाद 5 minutes का break लेती हूँ because अपने आप ही mind distract होने लग जाता है वरना. So here I started studying chemistry chapter 1 and I'm doing revision of this chapter I think. Yes, so here I'm writing down some notes and extra questions by myself. So then I started learning question answers of chapter 1 of chemistry, and जो theory based questions थे बहुत सारे solution कर. So guys, then again I started reading the book because वो उससे एक बार पूरा concept clear हो जाता है. हम एक बार question answers पढ़ लेते, फिर book पढ़ लेते, तो फिर एकदम अचानक से सब समझ आने लग जाता है. तो you should do this because ये बहुत ज़्यादा helpful है. So guys, then I just took a break and started watching some YouTube videos plus started eating an app. I watched some YouTube videos for like 15 minutes, I think so. Then I came downstairs and started learning question answers of social science because I love social science and just studied daily. And हमारे daily oral test भी होते हैं, so that's why also. So then I started studying economics. I just started writing some extra questions and started writing some notes. So first I started reading the chapter. This is the trick I always use for every subject. मैं सबसे पहले पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लेती हूँ, देन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पढ़ लेती हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली सब समझ आ जाता है अच्छे से. एंड सब एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ गूगल पे से www.learnacbse.com से. So here I started writing some extra questions from Google from a website called learnacbse.com. I just finished writing my economics notes and now I'm going to complete my Hindi copy because it's kind of incomplete. So yeah, bye. ऑफ मैथ्स. तो मैंने 2 घंटे तो नहीं पढ़ा, मीन्स 1.5 आवर पढ़ा था शायद से, हाँ. देन 1 आवर सोशल, सो वो डन. देन ग्रुप स्टडी वो डन. एंड 7 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, आई डोंट थिंक सो 7 ग्लास, बट फिजिक्स तो नो अभी तक वो नहीं हुआ है. 2 आवर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री डन. 1.5 आवर हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. सो इंग्लिश बाकी है, मतलब स्लैश में है तो हिंदी, तो मैंने हिंदी कर लिया. So yeah, I'm going to study physics after completing Hindi copy. So yeah, first of all guys, thank you so much for 10,000 plus subscribers. It really means a lot to me and I'm thinking to make a video at 5 questions. If you want that video then comment below. So yeah, and do follow me on my Instagram if you want to. And मैं questions पूछूंगी तो मैं वहीं पर ही पूछूंगी. And on my community tab too.
To do what's best for your skin. If you Google up like 10 skincare routine.
What the video I filmed today has more than 100 plus clips and I don't know how I'm going to edit this video. And if this, मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्रिम स्प्लिट ये सब तो करा है अभी वीडियो में, मतलब स्टार्टिंग के. सो वो हो रहा है 4 मिनट्स का और उसके बाद मैंने जब आधी क्लिप्स ऐड करी, the timing of that video is 31 minutes and that's freaking crazy. For the video guys, hope you like this video. If you did then make sure to hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me and I'm thinking to make a separate video for this. And yeah, can follow me on my Instagram and all the social media links in the description box. So make sure to check that out. And yeah, and I don't think so my study routine is that much good. Means इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ती हूँ मैं. मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी मोर आफ्टर दिस. मीन्स अभी रात के 2 बजे तक, बिकॉज आई स्टडी डेली, मतलब रात तक. बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फिल्म दैट बिकॉज वो मेरी मम्मा मुझे पढ़ाती है. एज इन लॉकडाउन आई कांट गो आउटसाइड, तो मेरी मम्मा मुझे पढ़ा देती हैं. मम्मा इज कैमरा शाई, तो इसलिए मैं उनको फिल्म नहीं कर रही हूँ. तो गाइस आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी मोर आफ्टर दिस. मीन्स इट्स लाइक 9:30 और 10 राइट नाउ. सो मीन्स मैं 9:30 हो रहा है शायद से. 9:30 से 10:30 तक मम्मा से मैथ्स पढ़ूंगी. देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल डू सम होमवर्क थिंगी ऑल दैट. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू शूट फिल्म. बाय गाइज, आई विल मीट यू इन माई नेक्स्ट. So bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Bye guys. Guys, I'm just going downstairs to study maths from my mama. And if you don't know, she's a teacher of maths and science and all those subjects, but mainly a maths teacher. And I'm still very bad at maths. I don't know.
Missing someone.